In this video, I'm going to show you guys what I expect in the market this week. So this is a weekly outlook on gold, on Gbpusd, and on Euro USD. So we're going to start with gold. This is gold on the 4-hour time frame. So last week we had a very tough week on gold. This was the price action for gold last week, from this point right here all the way to this point. I was looking to take the market all the way to this high to take out this high. So I got an entry around this point right here. And then the market came all the way to this point. I was 5 hours in profit, but then it didn't get to my TP. I still held the trade till Monday this week. Then the price came back and stopped me at break even. So that was how that gold trade went for me last week. So last week was crazy. We just had like a lot of range, no very clean, price action, except if you are a scalper or you just go down to the lower time frames and look for entries. If not, you won't have anything serious on gold last week. So now this week, today is Tuesday, the 23rd day of April 2024. So Tuesday week, from Monday till now, we saw gold, come all the way down to take out liquidities down here. So as you can see, this is an area of support, or you can even call it liquidity. So we have engineered liquidity down here. 1, 2, 3 touches, held nicely, and then now we see price come and even somewhat break it, right? So as it is now, what I expect to see gold come back to this size. This is my bias, but then what is happening right here could be a potential break and retest. So this is the horizontal level that's broken, and this could be, a break and a retest for price to now continue down. So there's also this possibility, right? There's also this possibility that this can happen. As a matter of fact, there's a high chance that we can see this coming into play, right? That gold will continue to the downside to take out some of these lows down here, because it has obviously broken this horizontal level here. But you can also mark out this area as the horizontal level that gold is respecting right now, right? So this is also another horizontal level, and you can see that price came in and then give us some rejection wicks and it's trading back upward. So now let me show you what my criteria for buying gold will be. My criteria for buying gold will be to see gold break above this line right here. If gold should break above this high and print a higher high, then I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities, because that will mean that there is a change in market character, there's a shift in market structure. So the market structure right now is that we are seeing price print, lower lows and lower highs. But if price should come and break here and come all the way to this point, it means that it has created a higher high. So that will be a sign that we are potentially shifting to continue moving to the upside, right? So I'm just gonna wait to see what gold does. If it breaks this high, then I'll look for buys. If it doesn't, then we'll continue selling it to take out this low right here. So that's that for gold. Let's go to Euro USD and see what Euro USD is doing. Now Euro USD is currently retesting this area of support that is now trying to turn to resistance, right? So this has been an area of support, a horizontal level. Price came all the way down and broke it. We got, an inducement. I'll call this an inducement. Price came down, but didn't create a new low. So now price has completely corrected and it's back to this area of support, previous support. So what I want to see price do right here is to give me a 4-hour bearish engulfing candle. See, if I see a 4-hour bearish engulfing candle, that is going to be my entry signal. A 4-hour bearish engulfing candle. So I want to see the next 4-hour candle close bearish. Once I see the next 4-hour candle close bearish, I'll go down to the 1 hour and then I'll look to enter. So if the 4-hour closes bearish, I should see it give me another low right here. If you should print another low right here, what it means is that we've gotten a change of market character, right, to the downside. So you see from here we have higher highs and higher lows. But the moment the market breaks this point, it will give us a lower low. And then my confirmation will be a 4-hour bearish engulfing close. So once we see a 4-hour bearish engulfing close, I'm gonna look for an entry on the 1 hour or 30 minutes. I'll look for probably another block or anything, any candlestick pattern that, I will enter on. So that's the idea for Euro USD. Euro USD. And my target is going to be this low right here. I'm going to target this low and can even potentially come all the way down here to take out all these lows because this is engineered liquidity set. All of this is engineered liquidity, right? So I'm going to wait to see what it does. I'll wait to see what it does. This could be 80, probably 90 pips move, right? You can get a 90 pips move from this. So GBP USD, similar stuff on GBP USD, right? GBP USD gave us a break of structure to the downside, and then now we're having a very strong correction. Now on GBP USD, I'm kind of, considering whether we are beginning to see a change in trend or this is just a very huge correction. So I'm just going to wait to see first take out this area of liquidity and even potentially take out this whole area as, trend line liquidity, right? So can even see price take out this whole area as possible. So I want to see how price behaves after it takes out any of these liquidities. That will now determine whether I want to continue selling to the downside or I'll look to see the trend has changed and price is going to push higher. But then let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes this week. So that's my outlook on GBP USD, Euro USD, and on gold. So we're going to see how it goes. We're going to see how it goes. So I'm not going to rush things this week. Last week was a bad week for me. I lost about 5 hours. So this week I'm just going to chill. Today is Tuesday and I've not taken any trade. I'm not rushing this stuff. I'll just wait for a very, very high probability setup. And then I go in. Even if I actually plan to just take 2 trades this week. That's my plan. At most 2 trades. So I'm going to choose the best one out of Euro USD or GBP USD, of which most likely I'm likely going to choose Euro USD. So let's just see how it goes. This is actually an area to be mindful of. Our price may want to come and take out liquidity at. Price may want to come and take out this liquidity. But then let's see how it goes. On gold, what is happening on gold? Let's just see how. So cheers guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, don't forget to like the video and smash the subscribe button. And see you guys in the next one. Cheers.